Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show how we integrate Allure report with the Playwright Maven project. Okay, so I have already created here some test cases which we can run by using the TestNG suite file. Okay, so now I have already created here TestNG suite file where I included one Orange HRM one test. But this test here I am running on three browsers, different browsers, so that I can show you something in the report, how it looks like. So now I'm going to run this test. You will see it will execute all the it will execute the test on three browsers. Test is running now. So directly we can run from the TestNG suite XML file, or we can run from the TestNG from the Maven file. So this is, you can see here, run three tests and three pass. Now we have also pom.xml file where I configure to run the test, where I'm calling the TestNG suite XML file. So if I right click and run the test, you will see it will again run the same suite XML file, and where we have test to run on the three browsers, so it will execute. Now here the test is running. Okay, and now the main things, now we need to move how we configure the uh, framework, how we configure the Playwright Maven project to generate the Allure report. Okay, so you can see test is running also from Maven. So you don't need to do much, add code labels, we don't need to change anything. What we need to do, we need to update some dependencies only on pom.xml file. So if we are using TestNG, right? So we have here Allure report URL. You need to go in this URL. There is a option TestNG here. Click on this. First of all, we need to add the properties. So let's add here one property where we need to define the version of the aspect J. Next, we need to add the dependency with the latest version. Okay, so let's take the latest version of Allure TestNG dependency. For that, just search maven Allure TestNG maven dependency. Click on this. You will see here the option link. This is the maven mbn repository.com. This is the central repository URL. Click on this. You will see here all the versions which is available. So now latest is 2.0, 2.20.1. Copy this, go back in your pom.xml file and add this under the dependencies section here. Okay, so Allure TestNG dependency is added here. Now let's go next. Next, we need to add argument under the configuration, this argument. So let's go and add the argument. This argument we need to add under the configuration. So this is my configuration. So let's add argument here. Argument is added here. So what it will do, it will go like Java agent setting local repository. It will go Maven send local repository, and then it will include the corresponding jar file. Then we have Maven dependency. We can include this dependencies. Let's add this under the plugin. So this is the plugin, and we can include here. Okay, now I am using the Windows machine. So Windows machine path we need to update. Okay, path is updated. Now updated all the information in the required information in the pom.xml file. Now when we run the test using the pom.xml file, one Allure report result folder will automatically create. Let me delete existing one. Deleted. Now right click, go maven and update the project, because recently we updated some dependencies. Just click on update. It will download the required dependencies, maven dependencies, and store in the local repository. So now let's run. Go to the maven, install. Test is started running. Now it's downloading the dependency here. Now test is running. So TestNG suite XML file. Test is running. Launch all the three browsers. Okay, execution done. And now if I refresh the project, you will see Allure results folder is created. Okay, these are the JSON file format. But if we want to open this report, okay, in the form of Allure, like here you can see the report structure. Okay, it's very nice report which will looks like this. There is an overview tab, categories tabs. Okay, so in this way, if you want to look the report, then what we need to do, we need to run this command, some commands to open the result. Directly we cannot see report like this. So what is the command we need to run? So there is a installing a command line tool. We need to go here. So if we are using Linux machine, we can directly run. There are some set of commands we can run. It will install. For Mac, we need to install this. It will install the Allure. For Windows, there is scoop command line we can install, as well as we can go and install manually. So how we install the manually? So go to the download the latest version of zip archive from Maven Central. Click on this. You will see the link here. So go to the latest version. Like I'm going to 2.20.1. Click on this. You will see here all the libraries of that version is available. Now we need to download the zip. So Allure command line zip file is available. Click on this and download. Once the folder is downloaded, this command line, Allure command line is downloaded, extract this and set up the bin folder path in your system environment variable. So how we do that? Let's see. Now this is available under the download folder and extracted it this. Okay, go to the folder and then you will looks like your folder will looks like this. Click on the bin folder, copy the complete path, and if you want to, you can also move in different directory like C drive, D drive, and after that you can copy the path. Now I'm going to copy the path directly from the download folder and then open your environment variable. Edit the system environment, click on this. Go to the environment variables and then you will see here the path under the system user. Edit. When you open environment variable path, it looks like this. Click on new button, paste here, path is set up here, right? Make sure you have copied the till bin folder path. Click on OK. Now path is set up. Once the path is set up, Open the command prompt. First go to your project, copy the path, location of the project, open the command prompt, cd, move to the folder of your project. So this is the folder location, project location. Okay. Now we need to run command Allure. First check the Allure version. You can see when I run the Allure -f1 version, we can see version number. Now, if we want to open the report, we need to run serve Allure serve and then folder name. So report folder name is Allure result. Click on this. Generating report to temp directory, and you can see it's open. You can see same reports what we are seeing here, right? In this structure, same type of report we are getting. Categories, suite, test run on Chrome, Firefox, WebKit, right? And this is the test, login test. We have all the tests is passed. Graph will looks like this. Timeline, behavior, packages. Package wise, we can see the report. Okay, we can customize this. We can pass some more information from the test script level, where we can pass the test names, add some priority, defects, user stories. So there are some annotation. We can use those annotation which will provide some additional information in the report. Hope this will help how you integrate the Allure report with the Playwright TestNG Maven project. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe the channel, share it to your friend, colleague, and also if you have any questions, any query, add the comment.